What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, breaking news. Shana Chin and K husband drop a new song. You see me, I said them do it after the Shaggy song wasn't me. And Ivany react to the song, Shay react to the song, a bunch of people react to the song, my people. You see me, so K, I go find out, find out how much of them people are never real. You see me, I say, although you can't blame a person for react to something where go viral, you know what I mean? Because them have to push themselves out there for people see them, as so it go. It's all about any little trend, any little new thing you have to up on it. You know what I mean? So me know say K I go cut off enough of them people because K done unfollow Shay already. You see me I say, and people, yesterday me say no look like say nothing go on between Shana Chin and K husband, but to me, boy, look like something go on, my people. Cause this is the second song you know, and if the dog no bus from this year, him not have no bus again. You see me I say? Because the first song I go on good and it have a buzz. The second song you know, people, you know what with Shana Chin and K man, it's like this. It come like say them just find a studio, a mutual studio, not no big like out the studio. You see me I say, so the song them now, have that rawness there. You know, have that little oomph there. You understand? Mediocre. All those lyrics in the song or something. You see me? You want a song with feeling. You want to go on a real studio go voice a real song. You know what I mean? So that you get everything, nothing no short. You see me? I say like when you are cooking, you have all of the ingredients. Yeah. I saw them figure out one studio where you have everything and the song them to mix properly. You see me? So people, me I go share that with Uno. We have all mackerel them react to the song, my people. You see me I say, me didn't even remember, me lose my train of thoughts. What else me did I go tell you, say me I go share with you. But me have a whole bunch of things with people. Me I go put it in the title and also the thumbnail. Whatever on the ear in the intro, and definitely I go see in the video, and maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So make we kick it off, my people.
Sound good, Tiki.
Yeah, no, I saw Scrubs more go big by in the evening. Yeah. Can me get a call for company shift early tomorrow?
That's good. That's so good. Upliftment, that's so good. You're fantastic, I tell you what, go on.
To make it easier, they must just dash in on a waterfront. Who they must dash on a waterfront?
That must be one with the rascal fin. I could have wells.
Which one of them they must call one a whale or one a fish, you know? Which one?
Lord Jesus, not even remember.
Which one they must dash on a liar front?
Well, dash it two of them down there then, because two of them are scale and fin.
I would say that them can't remember. I said the one where I fish him a vampire and I want on him smile, you know. Me say I will liar come here. That no drink me say what's up juice in America.
Tiki, what you say?
I want the feds are immigration pull up a rosealee yard to find a sea view.
Which feds are immigration? I will pull up. we look at that story there. We feds are.
Me yes, see the SWAT team. Everybody me yes, did it.
I lie, tell Tiki. Where we get that from? Me ask, hold on. Me go ask Tiki. Me never hear that.
The police did it. My tell the feds immigration and the SWAT team. Everybody did it. So police pull up over there for lawyer.
What they pull up over there for?
Yeah.
I got from yesterday. They might look for GUN.
Eh?
Yes, you know.
Me not tell a man.
I guess today you talk about Tiki. And not today that.
So what happened to that now?
The police, they
Just
want
want
the police, they want nobody car them everything. Oh, them buy.
Tiki, you hear that they're there today?
I was going to call me just see if the police want to know how they carry them by easy get away film because them again for TikTok so all they don't show them in cash out every time. They not go hold on for them so easy.
So what in the game? Tiki up here things are going Tiki this big.
But while me can't say nothing too hard, no coffee, my mother in a coronation market.
Alright, go on with your business, Tiki, go on.
But liar,
A big
come
thing.
to think. You know, so the little youth, they could have give him a little chance still in life because he's innocent. You know, he probably not innocent, but he not give problem still, you know. I just throw away the big ugly girl. You know what about cartoon? Sinwa used to shoot for boss said. Tell anybody say me sister anything when me talk a concrete proof me get. I Sinwa change back the page name and name me back to Maya.
Here there.
Anything me talk me just don't like let out certain things. If you want the granny always say if you not broke coffee, if you not broke mug, coffee in a dash way. Sometimes they have to pump me when they want to hear certain things out of me when they fuck with me. Wrong Sinwa not true, boo. Don't tell me that. You don't tell me that. Sinwa used to shoot. Sinwa, but they matter about Akeem Dem used to shoot for both said. That's Sinwa. That is the Sinwa. No make nobody fool you. Here, a scammer them then can change the invoice. I chop them choppy line of Panama. So then can change the invoice. So when I used to see Sinwa come and change the invoice, don't worry about that. And that they work they didn't do.
Well, my have to answer to the feds.
What if it's dig up all of them? Because a whole lot of people, a whole lot of people go in bed with wet pillow at night time, you know.
Me yesterday find GUN yesterday.
I was just thinking, they find it?
So me here.
So you tell me so Rosalie could hide the gun in her back?
I don't like
This
Tiki.
train I'm driving.
Tiki, go on here. Go on with the man.
Where man shall never die. And my pilot will be Jesus.
I
To that
can't.
mansion way up in the
But Tiki never see the girl come and see her lie. We are telling the girl have to admit. She didn't want to see her lie. We are telling her. She want to say
Liar, you see, anybody will fuck with me in a life. Let me tell you something. You see the biggest prophet for TikTok? No, where you see me, Daniela. She meet me at town 2019 and he said to me, say, you know why you do out there so now I eat out a rubbish bin? She fear God. He said, you know why you do under 6 feet under the earth now? Because she love God. That's a 2019. And he meet me 2024 when me I go to school at Ebony Park. When me finish high school I do agriculture at Ebony Park. He told to me one day when me in a Mapen town. And she said to me, say, you have a passport? I said, no. He said, go ahead and look about your passport. Before the year done, you have to go foreign. And no, he said, we have a foreign. And I said, nobody. And he said, before the year done, you have to go foreign. Go look about your passport. And he called Mexico name, or Panama, but he called a Spanish country name. And before the year done, me go have foreign. You see, anybody will trouble me not have to fight them back. Me just left it to God. Anybody. Remember how that the girl, who remember how that the girl they do me paya with Trev? I said, go the boy now, fuck you, the boy scan the boy now want you. And he dragged me over me.
And the same thing reach her.
Me say live. Oh hallelujah, me talk water come over me. And he dragged me pa film live night. I said, go the boy now want you, the boy now fuck you. God, I never know I saw you sweet. I saw you sweet. I would have tasted you long time ago. Me say before the year done 2 blood clot was that reach him. I 5 of my handkerchief did have a wall. And there is no way me I lie down a bed and me want my place beat up. And you don't beat up it. Kaki have to find pussy in a blood clot as long as me are in a bed. Me say you have to put up rape charge against me. Come here find it in there. Worse if me and make her get wave or swing on the most things them. Cause the only thing she want now is the hood, cause no want nothing else. And the youth scan her for fuck her too. She want the fuck since week to blood clam. I never know so when somebody
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section, because me hear TikTok lawyers say the officer them want Akeem for like find out about him assets them what him have and them something there. Is it? So you tell me what you think about that, my people. Yo, you see, on a level, why enough youth get wall on pan, get catch certain way when them a do certain illegal activity, because them can't not exalt themselves, them can't not make people know how much money them have. You check say the man them will show off and buy this and buy that. Other things here them alone are scam people. You have people who do it when nobody don't know about, because them not show them money. If you do illegal activity if you have money, don't show your money none at all. You see me I say that the money they buy no man. You know no claims, you know no receipt, you know no paper trail, you don't have nothing to show how you get that the money there, you know. So that the money there supposed to be like a ghost money, you know. You're supposed to live average and satisfied with your average life where you live when you're multi-millionaire. You see me? People just see one look how toops of your money and then can't see the rest of it. You understand? But them youth here, them have to show the money. And them not smart. Them see how much man get wall on pan and them still not learn. You see me I say? So people, we are gonna watch some more. Make me know what you think.
fuck them go on so bad. And he said, Daima ya get fuck. Daima says, Daima now make figure it out fuck him. Me not ask Christ and me not have to go into that the details there. Me not have to go into nothing. I work, Daima work. I remember Daima did contact about screen records. I work him, I work. When I say I get fuck, he or she. I mean alone now get no fuck, me must see too big ass stink. See you never know that. Not a thing no there but you too blood clot nasty. Not a thing no there cause you too nasty. Cause my mama no shape tree good. My mama no too pretty. Remember so when me had to bring down me no, remember so me no have no shame and me no care. My mama no tree pretty. My mama belly hang over and pussy like a umbrella. And my mama have man like a crazy. My mama the first woman out. My granny have 13 picking and my mama the third to last one. And she first build a deck house out of the whole of them. She first build a two-story deck house. Because a man Billy game. One man there in England has any money. I want to construct. I want to do construction. My father do construction and the one in England has any money. Man Ross be the construction and joke there in England has any money. Because my mother have ambition and she a go market. But true, you don't have none man there with you because all type of reason. Some man if you're ugly or some man see you clean or decent they in there with you. Some man if you have ambition and they can make life with you they in there with you. Some man if some man there with you because you're pretty, some man there with you because your looks. You understand me I say, but no man now go look for you. Your waist stink, you stink, your whole stink, you don't know if you do nothing. I want pot of dirty water, me see your boy over there with you, yeah. But you see, when you do that with Trev, me cry to God. And you Trev, we have to get me out of America. You give all your moderator them. You give all your moderator them. Me full name and me address of Florida. Whisper me the day. I tell him to call immigration for me.
She do that, Tiki? She do that for you?
You never hear this thing out talk?
Me never know that.
You never hear this thing out talk? And this thing talk about the moderator name when it give. The 5 moderator name when it give.
How we are say?
Tiki got foreign and Tiki never tell her before you go.
You never tell her.
Bexar.
Yeah, that Bexar, you got Tiki bus before, yeah.
Yeah, liar me deal with that girl the wickedest, you know.
No, man.
She lend me the money if you come a foreign, you know. She lend me $50 loan me the do all if. $50 loan me the do all if you put towards the money if you play the plane ticket. If you play the car for charter if you bring me go town. I'm tell her, say me I come a rebel party with her, she must give me the 50, I must buy the clothes. Me I come, I couldn't come up.
Yeah, come back. Anybody say she dig moderator them? So which moderator she dig in something there? You don't have a screen recording with that?
I must be bigger one.
You have to send me that screen recording there. To carry it.
Last year, like,
So which moderator
Last
should
year,
they
like-
send your name to Tiki? Which moderator?
I think sweet in the middle name, they still come. If you go look up it, I'll tell you when we do.
Yeah, if you find it, send it to me.
And he called them, I tell them to call me. He check away for friend me and daddy boss. He see the people that gift me and start cost them if you not gift me. He makes them if you not gift me. He cost me on my time and him up on me a strive. He tell me how the man no want me, how the man scan me. He set up purpose for the man to hurt me. That never get to me. He do me so something for I am a witness, so God just sit down and I beat him. Everything one time.
It a come down, Tiki, and one cannot work, now one cannot maggot.
Listen to me, calm and no miss. A lawyer can defend your life. A doctor can try to save your life. A soldier can fight for your life. But who give eternal life? God no run joke. The Bible saying better you tie a millstone around your neck and jump off into the hardest part of the sea that trouble when 9 children will call upon him. God no run joke.
Mr. The girl bad mind till it look bad.
Yo, for the day me born, me no know why that the girl the bad mind me so far just throw me come America.
Before, yeah.
You see when
She
me
take a
when me
piece
never
of
come
hate
America,
for you. She take a piece of hate
Oh,
for
yeah.
you from your reach.
you see before me come America, you know the best of friend because everybody pan the media for me. The last man me that for cuss him a Dan. I remember so we do an argument with the picnic situation but your Dan did kind of get me back a fight. And me say no man, me can't cuss Dan. Chini what me say no man, me can't cuss Dan. What me auntie, me don't know whether girl they eat me for liar. For the moment me step my foot in America, that girl they eat me and me sit down. I me don't fight her back. I mean, was there some battle only God can fix. Only God can win, and there's some moment that no make no sense. Me no fight her back none at all.
Tiki, somebody just tell me say she sent Trev $100 figure immigration for you.
Alright, you see it?
Yeah, somebody just inbox me that she sent Trev $100 figure report your immigration.
Liar. Chev would have more forget deported the country more than me because I don't have no felony and I don't do no crime. Chev charged with whole heap of crime since Trev there. Me not get charged for no crime. And if me realize that them a go film me out of the country, me go chew on 2 breasts, then can't film me back. Me not do nothing in America illegal. She want to get me back to Jamaica so bad. Like I'm making career stuck a half or three in a traffic. Me say, one moment me come America. Me don't know what shit. Me say me and I did a best of friend. Me cause cash a film, share them film. Me beat me war. You see me and did a friend now. I'm a liar with the right as well friend. Me take on a multitude of girl film. I don't know me when me a war a Jamaica. No see I don't know normal. I know me now war now. Who know me a put on my little church at a Jamaica and I take it back to be a sick after 12 till 12. Me nah done.
Well,
I'm here while the whole of them. Me not do nothing. Me just come America.
that's it. Before.
And if I reach America, yeah, she just turned against me and start talk so devious things about me. Me soon catch AIDS. In here say me have AIDS. In here say me do this. The people them will give me my custom for they not give me. They must spread allegation and rumors for them. He might cost triple, what triple are apple seed and me. He might cost Chev. He might cost Chev, what Chev there with me. That the pretty boy they don't want him. Whether the pretty boy they there with him. He go ahead and he
And I same thing I reach her now. Look at that ticket. The same thing I reach her now.
That's how God work. That's how God work.
I same thing everybody I tell her I say the boy don't want her. Same thing.
Him one worse. Him one worse liar.
Yes.
I swear. Me swear. Trev did put me.
But Trev admit it.
But remember, pretty Danny come out and say him back our coach, you know, and me see man sit on the back for you. You see the boy know everything we do. We remember when Pretty Dan come out and say him back our coach.
Pretty Dan did say that? We never hear.
Yeah, we go look up his screen card and when we don't liar. When Pretty Dan say him back dig like a coach. And in a less than 1 month time, me see the man sit on in him back. Me see say bumbo clad.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We're going to watch some more and then we're going to get into the whole situation with the officers. Them want Akeem, me so make we watch some more, my people.
What a wicked boy. You see the name back to make them laugh after him in the liar that thing do, you know?
Wow. I tell you, fear, me tell her say some things we should do and some things we should do to people like for no reason at all. Like
yeah man, she do me wicked with me and Trev. She do me wicked with me and Trev.
and she just thinks that she has some done panny up. She thinks that she has some done panny
Let me
up.
tell you who make him feel like him done. If people them over there tell him the fuck when I go play in her head. You see, because everybody, Rosealee don't like Batman liar. Rosealee, because she has a go liar, Batman fuck you like, boy, your man a Batman. Boy, you a Batman, I'm a lift physical, so Rosealee, I'm mad over what Batman. If Akeem and a Batman, me straight. I mean, I have to go in no further detail.
Yes.
And I solid prove me. Of
course, but everybody know that. Everybody know that. I just them know but them delusional about it. They know. The one of them knows say my Batman. Then she herself knows say my Batman. But she love Batman. When you see somebody call somebody, so I love them. I love. She love Batman. She love Batman. You know, she that's your belly for Derek man. When him Andrew. Yes.
Liar. She have to love Batman. Her best friend Toto is a Batman.
Exactly, a long time. That's what I say. She not the Batty world a long time.
Like you see Shibada probably enough friend. But you see that you there? Me sit down and take in Shibada. And one of my favorite on the app is Shibada. And I one thing Shibada say for 2021 and I love Shibada up till now. I mean, I want to repeat what you say. I see that you are very fair.
Everything when you say about Rosealee, it come to pass. Everything when you say
about Rosealee, connect right back.
It connect, yeah, true. Everything when you say about her, you know, miss.
Telling Jackson what she said, them get locked up. Akeem man said it.
Where's the Kaylin?
Liar, remember me tell you that they say nothing now go come out of it. Because first thing Jamaica police them can't pay them off.
No, me there Tiki and a regular police, they funny. And a regular police.
Secondly, secondly, they have the TikTok for sure say they are the TikTok for a good as all it's something them come with for the media. Good as all.
Lord have mercy.
Good as all Akeem tell him that if he said that if he see people are gonna reject.
Yeah, no, I don't think that happened, chat. Me not think that happened. Akeem and him mother liar. Me not know if that happened.
Liar, you me I say liar. You see, even if he get locked up, he can show TikTok cash out and show say that he work.
We bigger than TikTok cash. It bigger than TikTok cash out. This is bigger than we on TikTok. Make me see how it play out.
Well, at a Rosealee not live find that show me belly. He go to feed you.
We na.
He name for Derek. He name for Andrew one. He not live for. Go and go make them my friend. They never
tell me say I Toto take our virginity.
No, me no know about that, but me know so me did fuck her. 2020.
I can't laugh. Jesus.
Me know me did fuck her. I want that pussy jaw longer that one. I that the girl the sentence. Me fi make man fuck me, you know.
Tiki.
When we fuck, wait no. When we fuck that the girl let to blood clot. When we fuck that the girl let to blood clot, me have to be that in our butter sugar. Me salt like a banana tip to blood clot.
And Tiki.
Tiki will believe you.
They say a true Tiki attack. Tiki never use no condom.
No, me can't use condom because me would little.
So you fucking.
Me not feel nothing, but she stuck me wood good. Me not tell her like she can't stuck me good in her mouth hot.
Maybe I come down. I come down too.
Tiki, me can't manage it. Tiki, I swear.
In her mouth hot like lava.
In her mouth hot.
Yeah, in her
she
mouth
have hot
hot.
breath. Up with the backside. Tiki said that the woman mouth. Lord, Tiki, somebody just confirm me. Say I don't lie. I tell you, say everything I want night in a market to happen. They say I don't lie.
Mar, me not tell a lie.
Yeah, them say I lie. Tell somebody say I don't lie. Tell it happen one night in a market.
Tell her fish skin out. Her push on long like kite tail.
I can't laugh. Tiki, why you stay
If
so young?
Akeem fuck that janker, you see, if him fuck me to blood clot, I'll sentence me if he go turn batty, man. If him fuck Akeem, he sentence Akeem to death. Let me show you that girl the pussy wicked. Let me show you that girl the curse. He fuck JX, and he said JX suck him pussy. When you realize when JX did that with her own JX save her face, save her roast breadfruit. When you realize when JX did that with her to blood clot, JX black like said then tilt him. When you realize when me fuck her and me turn Batman right after. Who remember cause did a rain? I went cause a rain and I sing the Lali song. And cause and I do this song we say, Fatty baby, Fatty baby, Fatty belly, cause you know she belly big. Fatty don't kill.
My people, wanna tell more other thing, cause me did I say them don't have no paper trail for sure, like enough of the things them what them buy, like Akeem Dem me attack because I pay iron vehicle the dog driving our people, and back to back the man buy 2 vehicle where expensive no ass, you know, you see me, but as I say, them can maybe show them TikTok something, man. You see it? So, me know all the thing with people, and boy, if them get locked up, at least at Jamaica, this as them say, them can get locked up today and get free up, cause you don't know them police how they stay, give them a little thing, and certain things disappear. Me know all the thing.
Me kill she. Who remember that song there? Who remember the song? When the man cussed in the song, who remember when he jump backwards? I say Fatty rubbing it. And she jump backwards. For the moment he jump backwards, cause career lie down and never get up back. For the moment he jump backwards, cause career good done.
Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you, guys.
A girl is a wicked blood clot, girl.
She wicked. You know, see, I said she try to set up JX now. She said JX has
and a crop too. You must go be the know about the ambition. Company media cry for man, go cry for ambition. You worry about
I don't cry for man, cry for Batty man. Where she cuss every day.
And you want to see me set a girl them where you cuss. The man where you cry for used to fuck them. I tell her that. I thought they already fit talk. I told them I get benefits. From it. For the big lady of Panama, them I get benefits from it. Lie me to kill with information.
We know Tiki with her. But she herself know to Tiki. She tell me to the man about the man. She know say the boy the man a batty man, but as me tell her say,
same as though in the cartel right you say, me get proof say you're a batty man. Me get proof say you're a batty man to write you. I see him when you get proof about this a boy, but you just love him cause
he love batty man because she love batty man.
You want the type to say he have money and he there with money man and he there with pretty man.
He like liar.
Yeah, he like batty man.
And any one of them do. Like for David and any one of them.
Well,
yes.
Batman and Batman. The whole of them do the same thing.
The girl prejudice, but you must see that. The girl not even like you wanna people them, you don't know that.
Yeah, not even family them. I want somebody like the little boy. You know, like your little girl, I want somebody like is the little boy. I handsome shit up. And next 3 weeks from now, when you can hear how him go cash up when he really say boy I don't want him for choke. Kind of film head now in kinda now look denial same way I look did no journal.
Money for your daughter. You take back the money from your daughter, but you take up $800,000 lead man. Me say Akeem, don't give her back the money. Don't give her back the money. Don't give her back a penny. Cause man, you say man have them things and man have money. So why man need to borrow $800,000? Blame them sister, you know hear what happened. The police them want to talk to Akeem. You know hear what happened? You just reach. The police them want to chat to Akeem. And they want to know how the car them go and everything. Yes, none of the car them not in a theme name, nothing. They want to see them TikTok, they want to see them bank transaction them. Yup. They want to see everything. Nothing in the boy name, not in the house where rent no in their name. Nothing not in their name. Not even the house where rent not in their name. They want to know about the bike, them, the car, them, everything. So it's the road to put herself in a problem, blame them sister for Batman. A long time, I see over there, code pan her, mash up her family, put herself in a problem. Yes, them find something. Them not tell us they find something. They find something, but I guess them have to go do. What the word? What the word? Shasha, what's up? What the word? What them have to go do? Them have to go do our name's chat ballistics. And that's how the word?
Yeah, ballistic report.
Yes. Me and they find something, man. They find something.
So they have to go swab all of them on.
Yes. But I guess basically, based on where them find it, they must go test it first. Because them can't, I guess they never find it at the house. So, you know, based on where they find it.
Well, one of them have to do fingerprint either way. I think
not a thing. Blessing, they can't get West Scotch free. From them can't trace. Blessing, they can't get West Scotch free. From them can't trace where the money a come from. That not mean nothing now again. Now we are talking about. From them can't trace where the money a come from. That's why they want to see them bank account and then transaction. Them there's something they don't work again. You put things in other people's name. No, that the person they were having in their name. I forgot tell them how they come by that the money there. For buy that the thing there. Them the things don't work again, but I'm blessing but put things in other people's name. And in 1980. And in 1980 we know. Them the things don't work again. They can trace it right back to you. That's why them ask for today. Then transaction history. Them the things they don't work again. And true in a bad boy. And them not even pay tax on their money where they might make. All of the money they would make, they not even pay no tax too. All of that to our next caca-hole. That's our next caca-hole. Chat. Then lucky. She did over here make her. Blame them sister. She did over here make her a little money. Have her little family. And I save her money to get her house or to do whatever she want to do. And she make this little batty shit up boy come and derail her. No, she in all kind of batty hole. She was over here doing her thing and had to make her a little money, can take care of her 2 kids them and her family. And she make this little batty shit up boy come. Yes. As soon as that happened, she did over here make her money. She was over here making her money. But because you know what trend and they on FYP every day and they on podium. Because you know one trend and they pan FYP and they pan podium. You know hear when she cuss with Kiki, she say, who the pan the podium Sunday? Who the pan the podium Saturday? Who the pan the podium? You never hear her with Kiki. I ask her who the pan podium. You never hear her with Kiki. Who did they pan podium when from when not? Yes, and she that said to Kiki, who the pan podium this? Who the pan podium that? You would have pushed the podium in your body wall.
Hey, my people, I want to tell more what I think about what TikTok lawyer say. Because some of the things that must share some people are real talk, you know. And like one time, you say like how the thief them upgrade and the scammer them, the criminal them upgrade. I see them where the police them upgrade also. You see me I say them not turn a back and una upgrade. Me tell you something my people. See, it was a good move for you not buy nothing in him name. You see me? But you see when they draw for the bank account and them something there. Them are going to put few and few together because them are going to say the vehicle have such and such amount of money. And when them looking at the bank, if certain amount of money get withdrawn, like close to the price of the vehicle, them are going to put that together and say, okay, you buy it, but you're buying at somebody else's name. The person with them buying a for them name, you know, them are going to try to sink or put them are going to know that the person the bank account and try to track when the vehicle buy and look if no transaction did make out of the bank account there. You see me, my people? There's no such thing as get away scotch-free. So when you do illegal things, more than likely, you are going to get wall. You see me I say? Me I tell you that more than likely you are going to get wall. The only way you might not get wall are if you keep a very low profile and don't spend your money. You know what I mean? So you maybe get away. So let me know what you think. Make you watch some more.
Yeah, she said the FYP belongs to her. Yes, that's what she said. Me hear her. She said FYP belongs to her. Then me hear figure it out say a 5 month now him and she and if the four of them are run the app. A 5 month now the four of them are run the app. And the longest span the app. I saw me here one screen record with figure it out this morning. Overthink about media highlights me I watch it. Yes, they are 5 months now them are run the app. How much people bad mind them? No sir, we don't want to go to prison. We don't bad mind people for thieving money. Now batty money. We satisfied with what we have. Because nobody don't want to go no jail. It's not worth it. Cause you see now when I catch them, you think them they might make an example out of because they know say that they over TikTok I do. I remember chat you know they were up a TikTok and they were on a live and all kind of things we are going over here, you know. They in some serious trouble. Hi Champion Derry. Yup. Yeah man, they want to live at Airbnb and all kind of thing. Yes, and that they want to do. I want to go a party go buy 200,000 cabana. I want to buy Don Julio. And this I'm give away $100,000 here. Give away chat me here say Ali. Chat me here say Ali. Where you call the money? Where money where they collect with their name? Where money they collect? The money where they not collect with their. They say that the money they never share good. Where money name? When they collect the star money, when they not collect a donation, all of the money they say never share good.
What's not share good? What you mean?
So you never say that the biota. You never say that the biota.
Really? We never pay attention.
So what you think by the bike? So where you think by the bike?
Me think I TikTok money use that me the pre her money make her
You know,
happy.
every time the boy do something, I hit back. He come back with something after that. Every time he do something, he come back. Remember saying come and say no. Remember saying come and say, oh, hear the scammer. Hear what the scammer want them do. Oh, me I put the first $1,000. Never put $1. And I think you was and trick the people them.
That part. But I didn't liar, to be honest, as me hear me tell him, and if you believe me, you know, but it's the truth. But I tell you, the boy sit me stomach, we can't follow him up.
We don't have to watch if you know what I do. Every time the boy do something, the boy go buy make one big purchase. We don't have to follow him up. We don't have to listen to him for realizing pattern. We don't have to listen.
I don't know how much money he did raise at that time.
Nobody don't know. Nobody don't know. But for the fact say he go buy one bike for $1 million. I remember say the same thing they did one do, you know, and Sky Diamond bust up people on them. Remember at the same thing they did one do. When time the one come saying crash off a bike and this and that and Sky bust up people on them, their bike he go a pool and go buy. You want them got prison, you want them to go to prison, all wicked.
And then in the buy people of them are sitting here now put them in their name. Why?
The only thing he put in their name are the bike. The bike in their name.
Oh, the bike in their name. Okay.
But the rest of vehicle them nothing in their name. Not even the house where them say written in their name.
Well, the only thing about it is, you know, if they're not in a name, the person who for name in them just have to go
well, nobody don't want to take it. Nobody don't want to take the fall. Everybody wants to separate themselves. Who say they not sign over title and this and that?
They have to find the people them who the name when put the asset them in their name and they have to talk to them.
But guess what happened? We the people on social media they say it belong to them. So that is why something belong to you. On social media, the boy them come and say it belong to them. That they say chat, they say it belong to them. So you have got to tell the police how it belong to you and in for your name, and you been driving it. Them gonna eat it again. You can't run them. They think they about put things in other people's name. That no work again. What?
What are they going to do? They can't do much, you know. If me claim to come to the internet and say me buy something and put in a fair name, and me come and tell the internet say for me. At the end of the day, when the police them are when they do them background check and whatever and realize then go to sign my name in a there's nothing they can.
No, that's fraud, honey. What are you talking about? All right, I put something in your name, right? Where did I get the money from to buy something? You have to have a paper trail. That person whose card name is in.
Me not go tell them say you
get it wrong, honey. No, you have to tell police nothing. Police is going to do their investigation and trace back the money. And a 1980 winning, honey. There has to be a paper trail. That's fraud. There has to be a paper trail. And if one card or somebody, that's money laundering too. Yeah. That's money laundering. What you talking about? You have to do a paper trail. What you talking about? And a 1980 we know honey we can hide asset in other people's name. No, that no work again. Then I go back to the paper trail. And the first time we need to hide money under your bed and go buy things. That no work again. That don't work again. And they can basically, you know, the day him take the money to the bank, you know. They can match the two date them, you know, when the car buy and when the money come out of the bank. Come on. Like a simple thing that. Simple thing that. That's why you have something called a fraud squad. Them the things they not happen again. You hide things asset in a people name and you can't produce it. Remember, you know, when you go a bank, when you go buy something, you know, you're not gonna take up $1 million out of your house. You obviously go to the bank and pull out it. So the person whose card the name is in, right? Them have to go show which part them get the money from and go buy that they carry there for $1 million. But yeah, I say go again, honey. No, I know back when in 1980, an easy paper trail that. Why did them ask for the transaction history? Why you think them ask for the transaction history? Because they want match dates.
Tough. You rough on them.
The thing is that them a think about in a movie when people put things in other people. Them the things don't work again, honey. That the person they have to show how they come by that the money there, when them buy that the thing there. And if that the person they can't show.
Me no say I have to be.
Remember when they are saying it's the views that are good thing, the views.
Remember the good one me do food in a man. Listen a man.
Yeah, man, just wake up, you know. Come on, you bring down your blood clot. Yeah, man, we don't love you, yeah, man.
Me tell you go live and all. Remember me, dog. Remember my bill no bro.
Sister, I go set up, does it?
My people, this youth here must name, and when you're sitting on there, I think I'm where him come from. From what you ever see him make a rounds on social media, like him and enough of the people in a vibes, like him a call them out on certain things and I diss them up on rare. So him and Shay and all my people, and it look like say Shay help him for reach where him there. You know what I mean? So I go watch some more my people and hear where Shay officer.
I can't take a picture and put up. Yeah, man, and so it looks like, yeah, like, so folks on the run come things say.
We are not baby, we are not play this, man. The people them ear wag one. Listen to this.
Oh, set up, does it? I can't take a picture and put up. Yeah, man, and so it looks like, yeah, like, so folks on the run come things say. Yeah, you understand that in the attack and you picture the so you come and bam no. You come ka. Yes, we can't. Well, someone we are weird. With a picture of you in a background. And the attack I carry like say, you know, I'm like in the attack him story and I say until you come. I'm going to tell him, say, oh, no, send the share. Come, you go play me, come, you go in the make it look like me, no, nothing, you know. So when you come, you start speaking now. Because, in fact, you question you a little bit, you know. So make it look like a setup, you know, until, we know, we know how we're going to deal with this still. I this family hear your side of the story already. I hear it twice. I tell Fallon last night I have it.
Remember me a star boy, you know. I'm not send you a picture and tell you to post it. Remember me a star boy na this blood clot, yeah. Me gonna name. Pussy, me gonna name pan this Batman. Me bill on a page and gonna name. Go suck out to the mother. Me a star. Me gonna name. Me make gonna put up my picture in the background, make people feel like gonna bring me down for make them come over on the live. Go suck your mother. Me a star. Me gonna name. Mafia go dig out your mama. Me gonna name. What the fuck? You can't bring me down. Never. That would have never happen. You can't bring me down, me a star. One tear stop going so youth. My mama bill on a page and go on a blood clot things for content for post. Stop going like you not smart in a man. Stop going like you not smart in a man. Don't play with me. My mama go on a content. The fuck? Watch ya. The live I go full tonight. I'm excited. I'm excited for the live full. In the pa me go live now. Me man excited. Me screenshot me go on my own a video for no screenshot and put up things with me. How the fuck you go sit down here, man? Now go like so now smaddy. Hold on. Chat who this here so? No me this in the background here so. No me this chat. Who in the background here so the picture of me show now a while ago. Go suck on no mother. Me a done. Go suck out to no mother. Me go no fear. Me go no content. Me go no followers. Me give no people for come over on a live. Wanna forget? Wanna forget where I come from? Hey, go suck your mother youth. You go dig out your mama. Remember you call my phone already and tell me say, you get a thing about Jayden. I'm going to make Jayden come over your life. Go suck your mother. Remember that. Remember you call my phone already and tell me say, somebody message you something about Jayden and you want to clarify upon your platform. I'm going to tell you say Jayden now coming in your box, you know. I don't know how I'm going to do that. And you want me to forget Jayden for come on your live. You forgot? Stop going like una smaddy, bro. Go on, no, man. A views on a rundown pan this. Go suck out your mother. Go on where you go. Go scuba dive and deep. Hey, look so good, boy. Move. Una go like so na smaddy. And from this so you pre me. Because you want Jayden come to your platform, come talk in your box because you want the views. Because that's on a rundown. You want views. Are you excited when you see blood clot views? Remember good. Una no bad day. Remember so me I keep my life but you see thousands of people. Mafia, I want you part time you send me. Let me tell you the truth. Is it true me know you love chat? And when you are chatting you know for done and stop and you just a chat. You're a little chatty mouth, suck pussy boy, water mouth, stammer boy. Is it true me know see you love chat? Enough time you come from my life you send me request and I make it stay. Ask my moderator my life.
Well, people, and that's why in life you have to be careful of who you help still, you know. Enough of we have good heart more while and everybody will come to we want a strength we give them. You have to be careful the person where you give strength might be the person if take away your strength. You see me? So you have to be careful who you mix and mingle with my people. You see me? So let me know what you think, make a watch somewhere.
Let me tell you. Mama boss it. Mama tell you the truth what God love. Mama tell you. A whole heap of time you come for my live and you send me request. Me see a request you know and I may decline it. Me see a request. Queen not like you, you know. Me can't add it on my box every my woman not like you. She say I love chat. Appear ignore me ignore. A whole heap of time. You send me request and my moderator them decline them. I have a group man. Me tell you the truth where God love. Me not hide nothing from you now. I have a moderator group right now. You see, if you come and send me a request, I go on my phone and I text and I say, don't add him. Don't play with me. Me a done. Me a star. When you can't play with me. Enough time I see my request right here, so I see you come up. See there, somebody just send a request to come up. See there? Somebody need the request button, I mean I accept them. A regular, me see you come here, so peer X me X here. Me tell my moderator, say, take him out. Me no want him in my box. Mafia, when you come in my box, you chat. Me can't deal with it, no, me do. Black off all my Wi-Fi. Go suck your mother, you smaddy. Go suck your mother, you smaddy. Me tell you the truth, you smaddy. A regular, you come in my box. I just a chat. Me can't get chatting. Me lock off all my Wi-Fi. When me go suck. And come up back. I done it done. Go suck your mother. You come go like you're smaddy. Pussy, I want it up time. Me see you my request box. Cause you see more people on my live. And you see me have a certain topic. And you want to come chat. Why do you see me and Jayden on blood clot live? I'm see you send request to come in my box come talk. Go suck your mother. Jayden I want no friend from you. and Jayden pan alive. I send a request to come in my box because you want to talk to Jayden so bad. Remember, Jayden is your idol. You idolize him, no blood clot. You call him boss. So all of a sudden, no, Jayden become one batty man. Make it know, no? Just because me no give the boss where you want. Me and him dey pan live and you send request. Are you make me know say people can't add people in a box, you know? Me and Jayden dey pan live and you send me request to add you in my box while me and Jayden dey pan live. Go suck your mother. Me make them decline you. Me say me have a moderator group. If none of send me request and me no want, I don't know. Me text moderator and say don't add them. Don't add them up here. Click it off. X. Me not like chat him up, man. Me not like man who love chat and gap and one decline in your big sock cock him out. You come here, come go like you're smaddy. Move now, man. You chat for days. A pure X, me make them X you off. You saw them saying that I send a request to come in at the box? Queenie eat you like poison. And she not even know. No fun no over here save me save you no. Queenie eat you like poison. But what? And me around the life, so me always tell her. Make me deal with them. Hold on. I have a blogger page where I want black. Come on for my life. Give me a minute. You not get no content for post today. You not too lie and tell too much lie. Me not like liar. Leave. Yeah. You not get no content. Go build a next page and come. And track start about Jayden and Shay coming together, getting people BH ban. Him also reserving the recording of when Shay say she go send Jayden video over mountain. Alright. Me not care what you want to say. You blogger page, go and build a screen record page to screen record my live. Bye. Come with a fake page. Me not like someone that's time I block some of them blogger page off of my page. Cause me not like you know a pure lie on hotel. Yeah, me just say join my live. Some man are liar than wicked. Me no want to no come blood clad. No put me up on a page. Learn for building a page by yourself. Use address a content creator and put up people on them pages. So don't put me up on a page. Me can't build on a page. Me a hold down. Me salt. Me come like every blood clot thing. The whole I don't want a fame and a highlight of a Jayden and not get it. Go suck your mother mafia. Mafia go dig out your mama. Go scuba diving in your mama big pussy. You have me up because you want Jayden add you in a box. Go dig out your mother. Go dig out your mother. Remember, say you have me up because you want Jayden add you in a box. So you want Jayden come on your platform, come talk. Go suck your mother. Him now come over there, come give an explanation about nothing. Him have him own a platform for go pan, for go make him get him own a views. Why you want him views? Go suck your mother, mafia. It bono and it now go stop bono. Yes. She have secret for Jayden. Yes. She have this to Jayden. Yes. I may have everything for man. Yes. I'm gonna put him payroll. Yes. What I go do? Come now, man. What I go do? Yes. Everything wanna say. Yes. What I go do? Share protect Jayden. Share this. Share pay this. Share. Yes. I wanna go do about blood clot. It wanna go beat me? Wanna plan for though? From mafia to trouble to skibber to all I wanna ride or die the whole I wanna slime. Wanna go do? Wanna go beat me? Wanna go do about it? Since everything wanna say, I saw it go. Wanna plan for do about it? Come now, more here. The whole on the gang up on the blood clot boy. Me have secret feed, me have Dr. Man video, me have this, me have that. Alright, me have everything wanna say. Me protect him, yes. None of can play with him. That is facts. Clot that. What else? Anything else? What I go do?
The best tool about this get done, gorilla. People are speculating. Do you have anything to say, Foota?
Miss Blinga!
Sandbag.
You know, say Shay and Raja get money, chat. Shay and Raja get money. Me now ask.
But me and Shana, but me have something in store. Yeah! Miss Blinga, this name 10 Rock. 10 of a rock too, you know.
My God!
Raja!
We're gathered here today about
Raja!
on a change situation.
We have a rock too, you know.
Yeah, me I tell you.
Do you have anything to say?
Miss
Blood,
Blinga,
you have a rock?
10 Rock.
Bumbuckler, how I go? How the hell?
The people, it look to me like I'm at the girls them sees up on TikTok, you know. And that it look like to me, my people, because me know say it chip, you know, and lick. Just like how Rosalie, it chip and lick. You see me I say? People make watch some more.
Raja, me can't understand Shay, because Shay gets $700. You don't get no Raja. When you go stand up and show your body and so and dance, please, because that's $700, that deserve a stand up and dance too.
No, that's the first song. Remember, I put the first song at number 5. You know, understand?
Okay.
Yeah, remember, I put the first song at number 5.
Alright, Raja, Shay get money, you know, you don't get none. Remember that.
Yeah, man. All when me not get nothing from it, like it, me I work with it.
Okay, so you share work then. Alright, me not get no money yet in a share, so I work, you know, so you know my style.
Yeah.
Later.
Alright.
Me not get no money. Alright, Raja, alright, Shay.
Yeah. Raja!
Share.
Come, my brother.
Yeah.
That's why people over here say, Raja, you are really brother and sister, my dear.
Mighty God, Shay. Oh, you mean? Can she get it on the sofa? Oh, you mean with her foot on my shoulder? Oh, you mean she even want to take a shower? Oh, you mean blood?
Oh, when she
Hey.
get a daughter, him say, oh, you mean?
Oh, you mean?
Controller.
Oh, you mean bumbo clock? Hey, the girl in a full effect.
Speculating. Do you have anything to say, Foota?
Mighty Moses Davis Jesus.
Mystery. It's a message with you. You have to know how to flex. You got
Me have to do my video. Me no know it's sorry no me say Morty, eh? Where the filter there? Where the soft filter you there? I want to catch so. So I have to go move on a little bit. Come here, I have to catch it so. Screen record. Eyes, weird. Eyes, come. Alright. Go.
Are together. If you ever fuck my
My God! We're gathered here today about this whole 10-point and Charlotte Sheen situation. People are waiting, debating, and speculating.
On a night you was shot say no.
The girl said them say she
Them fuck bag a man like dance but Ken a go make 34.
Hear the song, that girl, we're listening.
Okay. Jenna song done this one off a choose him. You know what every hour? Oh you mean?
Stop. Oh you
mean? Can I get it on the sofa? Oh you mean? Can I get it? Can I get it in the shower?
You're fucking a go.
Up here fucking no man. This all that real music. This all that real talent now.
Boy. Somebody call him phone at him about the blind organization and strike again. But me not argue with the blind, you know. Me not argue with the blind, and me not argue with the deaf, and me not argue with the dumb, because me don't want to cripple. So me not argue with them. Boy, blind mice, it is proof again that you have no punctuality on the net. It does prove that you have no punctuality on the net. You just listen to here to come and elaborate with your lies. You don't like mix the lies with the truth, you know. I'm gonna tell her how she stay. She feel have a people emotion. Says when she come talk something, I get upset. And that she want face, she still don't laugh. Yeah, she don't have no punctuality. She not punctual. She's not present in no class. Come here. Yeah, spam chat. New woman no. So getting a down in that. She has no punctuality. Liar, pants on fire. Yep. Liar, pants on fire. I feel like she tell. She not punctual. I'm not agree with she. I said that she come, yes. And then find GU in our yard. If them find GU in my yard, me still not gone away. Me you say, yes. True word. This morning. Watch if tomorrow morning. You know, go she wake up and I got the one session with our lawyer. We still await. You have no punctuality. And I don't argue with the disabled team. Anybody when I change my name for, I want Akeem say straight. I want him now want me. Me not change it. I hear me say straight. I want him now want me. I hear me say straight. More get real ridiculously and delusional. More tattoo him name on my hand. More get real ridiculously and delusionalistic. More tattoo him name on my hand. Tomorrow get real delusional. I'm not changing my name. I keep me say straight. Tomorrow get real delusional it. More tattoo him name on my hand. I keep me say straight. Anisha! So I'm not changing. More get real delusionalistic. Real delusionalistic. More be a puppy show. More be a man menke. A man toodle, a man doodle, a model. A man poodle, a man oodle, model, poodle, and doodle. Yeah, I want to plot him name for my hand. I want to tap pot him name for my hand. I go see which individual I go crash out. Yeah. When I change my name for? Man, every blood clot, man, ding dang, man, woo, man, whistle, man, pampa, man, pee. Big fool and man, idiot. Yeah, me, delusional. Tell me, go no one joke. Can't talk on me yesterday. So me not talk. No. I'm telling a lie. I put up on my status say me there at church. And Shanta said, Mommy, oh my God. She called up my full name. She said, Mommy, there at church? Really? What is going on? I'm going to enjoy your prayer. Then hear her to me now, no? And that's why them say the Lulu. So what? Yeah, Mr. What? Yeah, you delusional. Go on. Shanta tell me some the Lulu. I run no joke. I run a joke. I run no joke. And I said, go on. And that's what them tell me say. And that's what them say the Lulu. So Shanta, what? Yeah. Me the Lulu.
Some people tell me what you think in the comment section, and me feel like say K and Rosalie if you link up and comfort them one another, because right now the two of them are go through it, my people, me not lie, they are going through it because them ex level up. The ex them level up, and it never a good thing whenever ex level up pan a ex. You see me I say? Always I go put, especially if the ex want to see that ex down and the ex level up. Problem. Let me know what you think. I can watch some more.
Yeah. And all that old did I go sit down and wait from bringing the boy, me not bring him down a blood clot. Leave me and him. Me a man pope. I will forever be I swear to tell the truth. And we do it in that day. I swear to tell the truth. I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth. So help me be God. I will always be man blood clad Dululu. Man Dululu. I will always be a delusional man Dululu. Always be delusional. So you can run with it now. Run with it. Good girl want me. Gee. Come here, one down the blood clot, come tap like me. Keep me all out the delusional. Mama be the Lulu. Man poop. Man poodle. Man offspring. Man poop. Man preggy. Man perky. Man fool. Man domain, man tomain, man rugrat, man fool, man trap, man concubine, man whore, man whistle, man tie, man knife and fork, man spoon, man mascot, man tegarig, man debila, man mattress. Well, me not really like man mattress now. But anyway, and when I involve man, me I eat. Leave me now. And I work, me come, work, me blood clot come. Me I look too weird. I want to talk one story. Over here, I shout. I get angry and express myself loudly. I want to misinterpret what I'm saying. So GX, Andrew Beckford, aka GX, I believe that you're right. Because only a mad woman would have take up a man when she know him don't even have two good underpants and deal with and breed. He's only a mad woman. I got to take up one man when she deal with him don't have two crap. He's only a mad woman. I got to take up one man when I work and him a 5 subject and him a young boy. He's only a mad woman. I got to take up one man him don't want a toothbrush.
I'm not sure.
Me at work. Me at work. Me at work. I could have even got a call me working. I work, me come. Me at work. So me know my should text your voice, not me listen to me don't know where me there at work. He's only a mad woman. I got take up one man. We don't own 3 good pants and breed for him. Jake is only a mad woman. I got to take up one boy. We don't own a BED from 12 years. What BED 12 years ago till now. So of course I'm mad. I have to fucking be up. I have to be fucking crazy upstairs. Think about low life like you and breed for. When me know you don't want shit up to now. When me know you're croft. So I must mad for true. I know no right to be sensible young girl. I take up rubbish truck. Some of you just can't go over and dump. And then you alone cough, your mama cough too. So it's a family sickness. So I must mad for mix with you know. Cause family soon who never elevate yet. Me pass on in a life. I remember me too in my pass on in a life. Me too no grow on and pass on in a life. And I know me no see you and your mama elevate. You can't take a mama from over the gully. Me must mad. I me too no live now way. And I all up to now 12 year. Me too no family at 20. 12 year pass on no live now way. And 12 more year come catch your mama no live now way neither. So me must mad. Cause she can't put you up. Cause the whole on her croft. So me must mad for mix with Uno. Cause me can't right if I mix with slime bucket like Uno. When I have shit for half and not even they pick them. Me must mad. Poor top strat. And somebody type in the chat, same story. It has to be the same story. It's only a liar change them story. It's only a liar change them story. It's ever one story me attack, just know I'm not lying. Me never change my story yet. More and tattoo him name for my hand. More and get real ridiculously and delusionalistic. More and tattoo him name for my hand. Tomorrow and get real delusional. I'm not change my name. I keep me say straight.
Hey, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section, because as Zan the woman they say, Rosalie said herself a fantasy with people, you see me, and it's like she don't know how to like get a refund, because she a go more and more deeper and deeper in a something where, you know what I mean. Me don't know, at least people, let me tell you something, enough story themselves over here. So I don't know if this is a next story, Rosa, and everything is a act, and the man and Rosalie, they and the man and Rosalie. You see me I say, because me can't understand how somebody with sense, you know what I mean, can be this delusional. You understand? Let me know what you think.
To all more get real delusional it. More tattoo him name for my hand. I hear Mr. Straight. Anisha! So I'm not more get real delusionalistic. Real delusionalistic. More be a puppy show. More be a man menke. A man toodle, a man doodle, a model. A man poodle, a man oodle, model, poodle, and doodle. Yeah, I want to plot him name for my hand. I want to tap plot him name for my hand. I go see which individual I go crash out. Yeah. When me I change my name for? Man, every blood clot, man, ding dang, man, woo, 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 man, whistle. Man, pampa, man, pee. Big fool and man, idiot. Yeah, me. Delusional. Try me go to one joke. Can't talk on me yesterday. So me not attack. No, I'm telling a lie. I put up on my status say me there at church. And I said, Mommy, oh my God. She called up my full name. She said, Mommy, there at church? Really? What is going on? I'm going to enjoy your prayer. Then hear her to me now, no? And that's why them say you the Lulu. So what? Yeah, Mr. What? Yeah, you the delusional. Go on. Janta tell me some of the Lulu.
Stop me here. You are do it. And then come and like that. But when the police are doing here, I'm more liar money here, look. Take back the 800,000 where Akeem mother borrow from you. Remember Akeem borrowed for letting mother take it back. Liar money you come and look. Find more card and wash it so them can have more transaction. Yeah. And when Jace move out here, call the police. Attention, yeah, look. For the whole weekend, remember she come up in and say, oh, what do you want? Say that my class rack up on the app. Say that my rack up the internet. Rack it up. Rack it up. I the label. Rack it up. Rack it up, my love. The label can't hide that time.
Put it way up more.
Yeah, you know. Eh? Rack up the internet. Why am I wearing money and them rich? Me love, whenever time him ask me to subscribe again, ask him.